Imagine yourself at a cozy dinner table, the flickering glow of candlelight dancing off the walls, the inviting aroma of a home-cooked meal lingering in the air. You're surrounded by faces that fill your heart with warmth. This setting isn't just about sharing food. It's about sharing moments, laughter, a slice of life. It's about turning friends into family. But how do you cultivate relationships that feel like home? Let's delve into the essence of deep connection. First, envision friendship as a delicate plant. It needs nurturing, and the most potent fertilizer? Genuine interest. When you lean in, eyes attentive, body language open, you're saying, "I'm here for you." Imagine watching a friend talk about their passion project. Notice the spark in their eyes, the energy in their voice. Experience the contagious enthusiasm as you nod encouragingly, your subtle gestures of understanding louder than words. Emotionally intelligent listening is your secret weapon. It's about feeling the undercurrents beneath spoken words. When a friend tells you they're fine, look beyond the facade. Feel the slight tremor in their voice. See the tension in their shoulders. Like a soothing balm, your empathetic presence can inspire them to open up, sharing fears and dreams in the safety of your acceptance. Think of conversations as a dance. Sometimes you lead, sometimes you follow. Be the partner who gracefully adapts to the rhythm, creating harmony. Reflect on a time when a friend confided in you. Did you offer your undivided attention? Remember the power of silence. Let it envelop the space after they speak, creating a comforting pause where emotions can breathe. As you deepen these bonds, vulnerability becomes your ally. Sharing your own story, your doubts and triumphs, sends a message of trust. It's like opening a window, letting in fresh air that invigorates the room. Picture the liberation in revealing a struggle, only to have your friend nod in understanding. This mutual exposure, this shared humanity, is what transforms connection into kinship. The art of persuasion isn't about convincing. It's about aligning with someone's values, their core beliefs. Imagine recommending a book that changed your life, not by selling its merits, but by weaving its impact into your narrative. Your friend, captivated not by the book's accolades, but by its resonance in your life, is inspired to explore it. It's this kind of gentle influence that fosters deeper trust. Let's not forget the language of touch. A gentle pat on the back, an encouraging squeeze of the hand, these simple gestures are profound. They speak the unspoken, conveying solidarity and warmth. Picture the relief in a friend's eyes after a reassuring hug, the weight of their worries momentarily lifted. And finally, creating shared experiences cements these transformations. Think about planning a weekend getaway, the anticipation of adventure binding you closer. Consider the way laughter echoes louder, memories imprint deeper, when shared amidst such meaningful moments. This shared history becomes the tapestry of your relationship. As we draw to a close, envision the twilight of a gathering, the soft murmurs of contentment, the familiarity of belonging. Turning friends into family is about building a sanctuary, a refuge of love and understanding. It's about being the friend who listens with their heart, speaks with authenticity, and embraces with warmth. So tonight, as you reflect on your connections, ask yourself, where can you plant seeds of vulnerability, water them with empathy, and watch them blossom into bonds that feel like home? Let this be your gentle reminder that the strength of family is not just born, but beautifully woven through the fabric of friendship.